Holy shit. It's December 28th. And we have liquid water. We're about to rip this thing. See how she goes. Been having some trouble lately. More to come on that. Alright, this thing is ice cold, baby. So, ready? Quick overview, GPS, bike, tack. Okay, everything's on X472, balanced and sharpened. All right. Ooh, got a little loose. Cut it. Oh, that was cool. That was a lot of fun. Okay, got max speed reading. I raised the port side trim tab up 3 clicks because I have a theory that I'm going to test on the wet hull on the starboard side. See how it revs? Whoa. We gotta bring her down. Holy shit, that was cool though. That was kind of freaky and I liked it. You see that thing freaking go nutso? Alright, so I went down, back down 2 on the starboard, port side trim tab. one rotation is from here to here. That's because that's all my travel. Haven't changed that. That last one was wonky, but fun. Max speed on that one was 34.4. Really want to get it to like 5 miles an hour, but that was also really freaking crazy. So, all right, let's see what we got here. Oh shit! I spilled my beer. Damn it! Damn it! All right, let's go. Put 4 minutes on. All right, let's do a speed test. I can't do a speed test with that. I gotta probably lower both. Doesn't that sound good? That sounds good. All right, let me come back. Okay, so instead of adjusting the trim tabs, I actually lowered the stinger 1/2 skinny nut rotation on this Speedmaster, and so hopefully you can see it. So hopefully, excuse me, I think I went the right way. I went port side, so I think that's the right way. We will find out quickly. Better. Not really. Whoa. All right, I'm back. We went about 3/4 nut rotation on the stinger and actually 2 down on both trim tabs. They're still positive. I was having problems with, like, it was just wet on this side running. Let's give it a go. So close, open. sputtering right there. I don't know if that was, I'm sure that's splashy fuel. All right, well. Still wonky, but better. Yeah, I'm almost out of fuel. 30, all right, so 37. Be right back.